Hi everyone, welcome back. So in the previous three lessons, we have discussed about the income effect, income consumption curve, and then we discussed about income consumption curve for inferior goods, normal goods, and then within normal goods, we discussed about income consumption curve for the luxuries and for necessities. And then we said that income consumption curve can take various slopes. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन जो भी हमें बजट लाइन एंड जो भी हमें इंडिफरेंस कर्व मैप दिया होता है. सो इनकम कंजम्पशन कर्व में हम एक्स एक्सिस पे गुड एक्स लेते हैं और वाई एक्सिस पे गुड वाई लेते हैं. एंड वी सेड दैट इट income consumption curve shows us various combinations of good x and good y at different income levels. तो वो हमें इनकम कंजम्पशन कर्व बताता है कि जब हमारी इनकम कोई भी पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट की चल रही है तो हम कितना गुड एक्स कंज्यूम करते हैं और कितना गुड वाई कंज्यूम करते हैं. एंजल कर्व एक डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप बताता है इनकम में और उस पर्टिकुलर गुड के अंदर. सो एक एक्सिस पे हम इनकम लेते हैं एंड दूसरे एक्सिस पे गुड एक्स गुड वाई लेते हैं, चाहे वो नॉर्मल गुड है, चाहे वो इंफीरियर गुड है, चाहे वो लग्जरी है या नेसेसिटी है. तो उससे हमें एक डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप पता चलता है कि इनकम चेंज होएगा तो इस गुड के ऊपर क्या असर होगा. ठीक है. सो वी से दैट इनकम कंजम्पशन कर्व एंड एंजल कर्व दोनों एक साथ क्यों लिखा है, क्योंकि एंजल कर्व हम इनकम कंजम्पशन कर्व से डिराइव करते हैं. सो वी से दैट द कर्व शोइंग द रिलेशनशिप between the levels of income and quantity demanded of particular commodities is also called angel curve, and it is called angel curve, and it is derived from the income consumption curve. We say that whenever there is change in the pattern of consumption expenditure, that is decrease in proportion of income spent on necessities and increase in the proportion of income spent on luxuries with the rise in income, it is called angel curve. ठीक है. अ डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप. इनकम इंक्रीज होती है तो लग्जरीज की डिमांड इंक्रीज होती है, इनकम इंक्रीज होती है तो नेसेसिटीज की डिमांड एक लेवल के बाद उतना प्रपोर्शन में इंक्रीज नहीं होता है, इनकम इंक्रीज होती है तो इंफीरियर की डिमांड रिड्यूस हो जाती है. तो ये हमें एक डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप एंजल कर्व से पता चलता है. सो द एंजल कर्व डिपिक्ट्स द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द इनकम डायरेक्टली and quantity demanded of that good. Whereas when we see all these relationship, we keep other factors like the price of that good, preferences, and any other factor apart from income to be constant. So this was angel curve. Now let us discuss this angel curve for these various commodities like we derived income consumption curve. So in order to derive that, first case that we will take is for necessities. So let us take case 1. That is, we are deriving angel curve for necessities. Okay. So like I said, that we will derive angel curve from income consumption curve, which means that this will be a two-part horizontal diagram. So एक हमने ये लिया and this is our second graph. So in the first graph, we take good x and good y. And on the second graph, that is this right hand side, we take good x on the x-axis and we take income on the y-axis. Now suppose that this is our initial budget line, which we represent by BL. And this is the new budget line, which we represent by B1, L1. That is when our income increases. And say this is when income increases further, we reach a higher budget line, say B2, L2. अब suppose हमारा जो first equilibrium है, वो इस point पे आता है, say this is Q1. जो second equilibrium है, यहाँ पे आप indifference curve चाहो तो draw कर सकते हो, अगर income increase होती है, we reach at a higher level, say Q2. And then another higher level, say we reach at Q3. Okay, and this we are drawing for necessities. So what will happen, as you can see, कि हमारा increase तो हो रहा है, but the proportion of increase in the necessities keeps on reducing. So we say that when we plot this, suppose initially हमारा income 300 था, और इस 300 पे हम 100 यूनिट्स कंज्यूम कर रहे थे, या हमने Q1 लिया है, सो Q1 से 100 यूनिट्स हम कंज्यूम कर रहे थे। फिर हमारा इनकम और इंक्रीज हो गया, सो से आर इनकम इंक्रीजेस टू 400. So now we consume, suppose, 75 units more. So this will be 175. That is, this is Q1, this is Q2, जो हमने first diagram से लिया है. And suppose our income increases further to 500. And now we say that our consumption of X commodity increases, but it increases by only, say, 50 units. So when it increases by 50 units, it becomes 225. So with this, when we plot such combinations, we get Engel curve. कि जब हमारी इनकम चेंज हो रही है तो कैसे कैसे हमारा गुड एक्सचेंज करता है, वो हमें एंजल कर्व बताता है. ये एंजल कर्व हमने इस आईसीसी से, इनकम कंजम्पशन कर्व से डिराइव किया है. ओके, सो दिस इज बीइंग डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम दिस एंजल कर्व. Now we can say that angel curve for normal goods, as we can see, हमने ये normal goods के लिए बनाया है. So this is upward sloping. Okay, हमें clearly दिख ही रहा है that this is upward sloping, which actually means that when income increases, the demand for normal goods also increases. Okay, so we can see that the slope of angel curve is increasing because when income is increasing, the quantity purchased increases. But this quantity purchased increases by a decreasing rate. मतलब पहले ये 75 से increase हुआ, फिर ये 50 से increase हुआ. So we say that the quantity purchased increases, but increases at a decreasing rate. Thus, we can say that angel curve for necessities have increasing slope, depicting that as income increases, equally the expansion in quantity purchased of the good successively declines. So whatever this we have discussed, this is, I've also written this properly. Let's go through that. So this is the diagram. I'm going to upload this for you. You can find it in the description. So we say that angel curve for normal goods is upward sloping, which shows that as income increases, consumer buys more of a commodity. And the slope of angel curve is increasing because as the income increases, the quantity purchased increases, but at a decreasing rate. That is, this increase from Q1 to Q2 is greater than increase from Q2 to Q3. And thus we say that thus angel curve for necessities have increasing slope, which depicts that as the income increases equally, expansion in quantity purchased of the good successively declines, which means हमारी income तो 100 से ही increase हुई है, it increases equally, but ये जो increase है, ये increase हमारा successive increase in income पे decline होता रहता है. So this was the angel curve for necessities. In the next lesson, we will discuss the angel curve for luxuries. And we will also discuss angel curves for inferior goods and neutral goods. So stay tuned, everyone. And I'll upload these notes. You can find it in the description. There will also be a Telegram link. You can join that Telegram channel. Also, I'm going to upload one Google form to just know you a bit more regarding what topics you want, what subjects you want, what more I can do to help you guys. So please just take 1 minute and fill that form. It won't be too much of your time. All the best for your preparation. In case of any doubt, please post it in the comments. Take care, everyone.